This is Leigh from Fox Hollow Ranch, where we're creating space for everyone to discover their creative self. Dabbling kits are a great way to start something new and getting our brains to function a little differently for a few hours. This is our quilling kit. What's in the kit? Instructions for how to use what's in the kit and a few helpful tips. There's also an example of a quilling we did. You'll find a pack of strips of paper of all kinds of different colors, a pair of scissors with a fine tip. This handmade awl might be your best friend. It makes light curls and can make tight bends. It's also great for nudging pieces as you place them, or applying small amounts of glue to the free-spirited pieces not wanting to stay exactly where you want them to. Next up is our crafted slotting tool. You can go to town rolling paper strips for days. There you go, cute little spiral. Another bespoke item is our glue tray, and we toss in a bottle of glue for you as well. A little bit of glue goes a really long way. The tweezers, literally the most frequently used tool. We included 3 project boards, a made creative template on cardstock, and a few more pieces of cardstock to get you started. Finally, we have our handcrafted template. Once you use the slotted quilling tool to roll paper, you can place your roll in any of the spots for different size spirals. I'm going to show you all of this in action as you get to see hours of work distilled down to 3.5 minutes. Don't miss it. This is where I tell you all about how to quill for real. I royally messed it up the first time I tried. These tips will make it an enjoyable and hopefully successful experience. The first thing I'll point out is to work in smaller sections. Break down your sketch or idea into single lines. Here I start with an arc that is the fox's back. You'll see I dip each paper piece I'm working with into the glue on the tray, and then I place it on my project board. I made the ears by folding a short piece in half and giving it a slight bend with the awl. The awl is also really great for linking 2 pieces together with a dab of glue. Just keep breaking your design down into manageable pieces using the tools at hand to shape them to fit. Speaking from very limited experience, I tend to complete the outline of my design, take a breather, and then go to town filling in the design. This is the really fun part, in my opinion. Experiment with shorter paper strips, spirals, switch those spirals into raindrop shapes or eye shapes, put on some good music, and just see where the art takes you. The more paper you use to fill in your design, the more solid it will look. If you're looking for ideas, just go see what work is out there on the web and use that to inspire your own ideas. Dabbling is a type of play, or being engaged in playful activity. When is the last time you let yourself play? Try some quilling, or as like we do, invite a few people over to try something new, like quilling, and then share what you create with each other. The only rule of dabbling is to have no expectations. You're not aiming to create a masterpiece. You're trying something brand new. Dabbling is good for your brain and is good for your soul.